These are 550. They're like so cute. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are in Bangkok, Thailand. We are in KRUNGTHONG Plaza, which is super famous online because they sell very cute plus size clothing. So I'm going to take you on a walkthrough through all 4 floors and we'll explore together. All right friends, we are going to do a walkthrough of KRUNGTHONG Plaza. This is the bottom floor. These outfits are actually quite cute. Maybe we'll go upstairs? Okay, there's not much going on the bottom floor. So let's go up a level. We've also got some accessory options. Oh, okay. Interesting. Okay, I already see a winner ahead of us. Fat Boys. So if you've got some men, they have up to 6XL US sizes. Some Hawaiian shirts. Okay, let's start from the outside and then we'll make our way through. Kawaii. This way. A lot of oversized t-shirts too with cool designs. Triple O plus size. I love that they have like bras and underwear as well, because those can be hard to find, especially in Asia if you've got big boobs or a big butt. Two cis upsize. Ah, okay. So ahead we have Fat Girls, which looks like it's the same branding design as Fat Boys. So maybe it's like a same brand, same company. The sizing is XL to 5XL. Okay, we also have, what's this, Mugai big size. Enjoy plus size. You can see the prices as well for these pants. One for 120. Ooh, these are kind of cool. Need money for Porsche. Oh, okay. We have chubby. Chubby plus size. They've got some cool options for the chubby girls. Born plus. You were born to be perfect. Two sis upsize. Oh, did we see Fit Fat? I see Fit Fat right here. Which one? Okay, now we're going to go up the stairs to the 3rd floor. Oh, I see. BB Fat, that might be one of the best names here. For those who are unaware, Baby Fat was a very iconic brand in the early thousands. Love BB Fat. Okay, let's go down this aisle. And by the way, I've got some cute, well, interesting dresses. Excuse me. This is Fat Fulfill. Magazine Plus. Okay, we have Piggy Pig Shop. Okay, this is what's available in the Piggy Pig Shop. Oh, super close. Super close. These are actually quite cute. I like the... Ah, okay. There's Love Calories. That one is quite famous. Online. Oh, Love Calories. Okay, let's see what they're selling in Love Calories. Got some shorts here, 200 to 100 bahts. Okay, we've got a good one coming up. We have Fat Cat and Jasmine big size. If you want to see what they have. Some pajamas that are silk, and just for reference, these are the sizes that they've got here. Let's go around the corner here. We have Anna Plus. Oh, we have the Power Plus girls, which is a personal favorite of mine. Oh, these are actually so cute. These like Adidas with the lace. I might need to come back for those. Ah, okay, we have fatty fat girl, fatty and fat girl, excuse me. Also sack, BT plus size. Oh, okay. We have another one coming up. Cherry plus size. Okay. Some really cute two-piece sets and shirts. Oh, I see one coming up. We've got Fat Beauty. Here's what Fat Beauty is selling. We have Linda Plus, the Orange Shop, Miss and She Big Size. These are $550. They're like so cute, but I don't think I need it. Oh, oh ho, interesting. Up. And now we will go to the final floor. Coming up hot with Big Girl. This is what Big Girl is selling. There's the candy shop. Sis to Sis. Funny fat brands. D plus. We have Oily Plus. It's a cute little pajama set. Oh, okay, we have Plumper Girl. Okay. With pattern for big size. And big inch super elastic. Oh, we have Thai Fats. And also Nana Shop. They do have some really cute pajamas for sure. This is the food part. Thai Fat, because beauty isn't a size. Some cute outfits. Really nice two pieces in here for sure. I think that concludes our walkthrough of plus size shops. I hope you've enjoyed, and if you come here, you have an idea of what you'll be able to find if you are, you know, a little bit larger in size. Thank you for watching this video. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.